Hello viewers, do you struggle with deciding what counting principles are you supposed to use at what stage in a given problem? Do you get confused whether you have to use the multiplication principle or the addition principle? Or let's say you're solving a problem in combinatorics. You arrive at the answer 2 to the power 4. You check the answer given is 4c2. That's 4 choose 2. You see the solution, 4 choose 2 sounds perfectly reasonable to you, but you don't understand why is your answer wrong. Why is this wrong? Or let's say you're good at combinatorics. You understand these basic things. But you must have seen problems that appear in the national Olympiads like the Usamo. Those big paragraph like problems. They appear like a story. Now you understand every single words of those problems. You understand what the problem is trying to say. You understand what the problem is trying to ask you or asking you to prove, but you don't know where to begin it from. How to do that using maths. You don't know what to do. You think of a lot of cases. You think of the problem for a bit. There are tons and tons of cases that appear in your mind. And then error boxes pop out in your brain. And you leave the problem. If you are one of these people, whether you get confused with the very basics, you're not able to decide this. You don't understand these properly. Or you are one of those who doesn't understand why is your answer wrong. Or you are one of these who understands everything, but you're not able to tackle complicated problems. This course right here is meant for you. And the more important thing, it's completely free for you. More details regarding this course. Now, whether you need some sort of prerequisites, nothing apart from common sense. All you need is the sense of visualization, whether you can visualize stuff, and whether you have basic aptitude to think about the problems. Coming to the duration of this course and the frequency of the lectures, you'll be getting one lecture per week, and this will continue in July as well as in August. Now it's meant for, of course, the AIME people or the Olympiads, the national Olympiads, and also the undergraduate students. Okay, the undergrad students, maybe you're studying discrete mathematics, combinatorics appears in that, all the computer science students, or you are a math student, a pure math student like that in mathematical tripos at Cambridge, or you're one of those. So it's meant for you as well. So if you're not able to visualize combinatorics better, if you're given something of some sort of combinatorial expression, let's say an equation, and you're not able to think of a combinatorics proof, you can prove it using the NCR definition, but you're not able to use it combinatorially. You're not able to prove it combinatorially. You're not able to think like that. This course is meant for you. This begins the first episode of this series, drops on Sunday, the upcoming Sunday. So I recommend you to not miss at least the first 4 to 5 sessions. This course is going to have a lot of problems, almost 500 quality problems, and the first 4 sessions will be doing almost 200 based on the addition principle, the multiplication principle, basic permutations and combinations. So I recommend you to finish at least the first 4 to 5 sessions, and later on you can decide if it's for you or not. Thank you. See you on Sunday.